Hi everyone, and thank you for returning to the channel. We're delving into the many speculations and leaks regarding the much-awaited iPad mini 7 today. Apple's little powerhouse has created a place for itself among consumers who want a tablet that is incredibly portable without compromising on functionality. Although Apple has not released any information, industry rumors and leaks have given rise to optimistic expectations for what the iPad mini 7 may bring. So grab your preferred libation and let's explore the newest buzz. Date of release. A surprise for September. Apple usually releases its newest iPhones in September. Rumor has said that this year's edition, the iPad mini 7, may arrive in September 2024. This would be different from the September 2021 debut of the iPad mini 6, but it fits with Apple's autumn-event approach of presenting many devices. Fit for a mini Pro chip, any device's processor is its heart, and the iPad mini 7 is expected to get a sizable update. There are rumors about a powerful new chip, the A17 Bionic, which will replace the A16 Bionic in the newest iPhone models. With even quicker speed and enhanced graphics capabilities promised by this processor, the iPad mini 7 is poised to become a multitasking wonder. Hold on though, there's more. There have been some reports suggesting that the A17 Pro processor, which is much more powerful, may be an option. This may theoretically transform the mini into an iPad mini Pro, which would be a game changer. This may indicate a performance boost on par with the most expensive iPad Pro devices. Display, old technology or new? A stunning liquid retina display with True Tone in promotion, 120Hz refresh rate, was introduced with the iPad mini 6, although there have been some reports indicating that the mini 7 may get an OLED update. It seems more probable that Apple will continue with the tried-and-true LED technology with promotion. This isn't all bad news though, because the display as it is now is fantastic with vivid colors and seamless scrolling. Storage, more space is unquestionably better. The 64GB basic storage on the iPad mini 6 is a big source of frustration for several consumers. Fortunately, rumors indicate that Apple may eventually fix this by raising the entry-level storage to 128GB. For those who often download applications, keep images in the cloud, or use cloud storage, this would be a pleasant improvement. There are speculations of a possible 512GB storage capacity, which makes the rumors even more delicious. Power users that want lots of capacity for labor-intensive operations like video editing or keeping sizable media libraries would be satisfied by this. Costs remaining in the sweet spot. The iPad mini 6 is reasonably priced, beginning at $499. A little price rise wouldn't be shocking if the rumors regarding an iPad mini Pro with the A17 Pro processor are accurate. Even with the anticipated changes, it appears like Apple may maintain the $499 basic model pricing, according to recent reports. Because of this, the iPad mini 7 would provide a remarkable value for those looking for a robust and portable tablet. Beyond the exposure, our desired outcomes. Even if leaks are thrilling, the iPad mini 7 should include the following features. Asterisk better camera. The camera on the iPad mini right now is passable, but nothing special. More megapixels and better low-light capabilities would be nice additions. Thirst USB-C. Apple is actively moving all of its product lines to USB-C. Having USB-C on the Mini 7 would allow for more peripheral compatibility and better data transfer rates. Asterisk Wave Technology cellular option. Having Wave 5G connectivity will provide lightning-fast upload and download speeds for those who are always on the go. Asterisk appearance update. The iPad mini 7's luxury feel might be further enhanced with a minor redesign that features narrower bezels, even though the device already has a streamlined appearance. Recall that these are only leaks and hearsay. They do, however, present an intriguing image of what the iPad mini 7 could be capable of. The iPad mini 7 has the potential to be a strong competitor in the small tablet market, thanks to its familiar yet potent size shape, more storage options, and possible performance improvement. As the anticipated September launch date draws nearer, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more information. Tell us what features you would most want to see in the iPad mini 7 in the comments section below in the interim.